What really is space? In the night sky, you will most likely see small dots, if there are good weather conditions. Those tiny dots are what we call stars. A star is an extremely hot glowing ball of matter in space. This matter is what we also call plasma. Stars are mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, which are so densely packed together that its power is great enough to initiate nuclear fusion. If you did not already know, nuclear fusion involves two or more atomic nuclei that combine to form a larger and a much different atom. But anyways, that does not answer the question. What really is space? Believe it or not, but space is a vacuum, just like your vacuum at home. How are they so similar? It is because in your vacuum, there is close to no matter inside, quite similar to space. However, space is almost a perfect vacuum, because it is full of enormous cosmic voids, like the Eridanus supervoid, which extends to approximately 1.8 billion light-years across. Like I already mentioned, there are things in space from the Earth to massive supervoids. To grasp a better understanding of how big the universe actually is, we need to look to our closest cosmic neighbor, which is otherwise known as the Moon. When you observe the Moon, you may think that it is really close to Earth, which it is compared to other space objects, but what you did not know is that it is on average around 384,000 kilometers from the Earth, or simply about 30 Earth-sized planets away from each other. The Moon is the furthest any man has ever gone, but I will not focus on this too much, because there is a massive conspiracy about it. The next terrestrial planet is Mars. Mars is on average 225 million kilometers away from Earth. If you were to set foot on the Martian soil, you may notice a tiny blue speck in the night sky, which would be our planet. A little further from our solar system is the Voyager 1 space probe, which is approximately 14.5 billion miles away from us. Surprisingly, it is still active and is still transmitting us data from interstellar space. The Voyager 1 space mission was launched on the 5th of September in 1977 and was expected to stop communicating with us a long time ago, and now we think it will probably stop collecting space data in around 2025. Beyond the solar system, we come across our interstellar neighborhood, which is sort of like your neighborhood, but way lonelier, and the neighbors are stars. It is really hard to measure distances between these cosmological objects without using a new length unit, which we call a light year. A light year is the distance in which light travels in a full Earth year. For example, the closest star to our Earth, which is Proxima Centauri, is roughly 4.2 light-years away from us, which is about 265,613 astronomical units. An astronomical unit is the distance between the Sun and the Earth. I hope you enjoyed this space video. See you next time. Bye.